Alright guys, so today we're in the trunk of a 2023 Ford Bronco, and if you own one, you already know what we're doing here. If you don't own one, you're in for a little bit of a shock. So these trucks came without an amplifier or sub, but you see one there, right? It's not real. Ford shipped this with a fake sub, and the amplifier has nothing inside. I'm going to show you what we're doing here. So this is T20, 4 screws. I'll take the 2 bottom ones out first. And then I'm going to unplug the sub, little locking tab on the back, and then just pull. I'm going to do that so it does not, you don't have to hang by a string and go flying. We'll do another how-to eventually that shows you how to take the back panel apart. I'm pretty sure there's already a how-to do that. Oof. So apparently there's only 2023s because of the supply shortage. You guys ready? You ready? Look at this. I know lighting's poor. Look at that, no magnet. There's no magnet. It's a fake subwoofer. They have wires and everything. Like, there's nothing here. Put that off to the side. Once I get it inside on the bench, I'll show you better pictures. Now, on the amplifier, we have 4 Phillips head screws to take out. Got one. Unplug this too. All right, see the plug? All right. Whoa. Phone is blowing up. Oh, there's 2. There's the 3rd one. All right. So now we get inside. I'm going to show you what we're doing. But for now, let me show you what we did. We did. Was that English? So we did Rockford Fosgate 300 watt amp with the plug and play converter. Plugged right into the factory wiring. And then we're going to replace it with a subwoofer. Subwoofer's not in yet. It's on the truck for delivery. So let's go up front and show you how to do the programming, and we'll come back and mount this and finish up the job. Alright guys, so I intended this to be a complete ForScan tutorial from beginning to end, but what happened is I ran into some issue when I was coding, and I never recorded the final outcome of it. So it said something at the end that wasn't correct, and I didn't finish, so I'm not going to post up a video and edit it out. But look, this is what we did, but we didn't finish it, because it doesn't make sense. I want to show you exactly how to do it. So check the website. We're still looking for a local vehicle to redo the entire install from beginning to end, and also show you the coding from registering to the end. So you see right here, it's going to say write all, and then check someone's off, and then I don't remember how we fixed it, but we fixed it. Customer is very friendly and he would come back, but I'd much rather start from scratch with a new car, plus not bother him. But all right, now here we go. Let's finish up the video. All right guys, so here we are on our test bench. Got 2 amplifiers here. They look exactly the same. Right? Wrong. This one had a red X on it. You see how it's a little red? It got worn off from all the wear. But there's nothing in it. I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is a regular amplifier with all the components inside. This is the 2023 Broncos received. Empty. Just a circuit board with no chips. Odd. This is from an older Bronco. It's crazy, right? Look at that. Alright guys, here we are a few weeks later. So we've been through a lot of stuff with this little Bronco over here. So it turns out that the Rockford Fosgate amp ended up not working. Not only do you have to activate the amplifier with the Ford program, ForScan, whatever you guys want to call it, it also requires the right resistance, or else the speaker doesn't work. So you just can't hook it up any other way. So after many different amps, we did gel, we did, it was crazy. But anyway, this is like the 4th or 5th amp, and testing resistors and all that stuff. We finally got it working, and we got the plug and play connector that I found over in Europe. All right, so it plugs right in. So check the website. I'm probably gonna sell a kit with the speaker, the amp, and who knows, maybe I'll sell. I'm thinking about getting that cut with plexiglass. But if you are close to us in New Jersey, we can definitely do the install for you. It's a piece of cake, and this will just plug right in. We don't have to cut any other factory wires. All you got to do is program the car and plug this right in. All right. My name is Christian, Zenfit Car Stereo. Thank you so much for watching, and check the subscribe for YouTube. It's for YouTube English, my friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Eventually, we're gonna get another one in here, and we're gonna do the full install from beginning to end. It's just that this customer was super patient with us. Probably came back like 4 or 5 times, maybe more. Actually, no, more than that. And super duper patient. So don't want to. Probably if I asked him, he'd let me videotape the whole thing, but I don't want to push it. So that's it. My name is Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and Fit Car Stereo.